Now friends, as per problem statements, the point B 30 mm above HP, 40 mm behind VP. It means point B living in second quadrant. Now the observer, it is here. He looked the point B perpendicular to VP plane and collect the perpendicular projection from B on VP plane. It is our B dash as a elevation, and it is 30 mm above XY line. Now the observer, it is observe the point B from top view orientation. The projection of point B, it is go on HP plane as a plan point. And we got the plan point B as a top view either plan. And its distance from XY line, it is 40 mm. Now friends, your HP plane always moving clockwise direction. So when you rotate your HP plane, it is go to upper direction. In second quadrant, your VP plane and HP plane both are intersect to each other. Similarly, your top view and elevation both are intersect to each other. So how to represent here? So first I draw the XY line. I read the data of the problem. The point B 30 mm above HP. My point above HP, so I just mark the 30 mm above XY line. Condition with HP means it is our elevation point, front view point 30 mm. Second condition with VP 40 mm behind VP. Behind VP means our point, it is again above XY line. So with same projection, I take the 40 mm dimension from XY line. This is my plan point A, top view. So your front view and top view in second quadrants both are above XY line. And particular this section, this line, it is represented the top view and front view of the objects. So in engineering drawing, we are not represent our machine drawing, either any component drawing in second quadrants, because of engineer cannot understand which projection, which lines it is represented the elevation, either top view. because of my plan and elevation in second quadrants are intersect to each other.